In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a special offer to your Google business profile. This is a great way to attract more customers by showcasing exciting deals or highlights that your business currently offers. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to business.google.com. This is where you'll manage everything about your Google business profile. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and click the sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. Use the email address associated with your business profile to log in. If you've previously logged in, you should be directed straight to your business page, but if not, you can always locate your business by simply typing its name into the Google search bar. Once you're on your Google Business dashboard, look for the Add Update option. This is your gateway to keeping your business profile lively and engaging. Click on it, and when the menu pops up, choose Add Offer. This section is where you'll create your special offer. On the next page, you'll find options to customize your special offer to your liking. Start by uploading a captivating image. You can do this by either uploading from your device or dragging and dropping a photo into the specified box. Remember, a great picture can catch the eye of potential customers, so make sure it's relevant and high quality. Now click on the text box to enter the title of your special offer. Be clear and concise, as this is what customers will see first. Next, you'll want to set the dates for your special offer. You have the flexibility to either type the start date manually or choose from a calendar widget for convenience. Don't forget to also set the end date so customers know how long they have to take advantage of your great deal. After setting the dates, you have the option to add more details to your offer. Experiment with adding coupon codes, redeeming instructions, or any terms and conditions that may apply. These are optional, but they can provide clarity to your customers and potentially encourage more engagement. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to preview your offer. Click on Preview to see how your special offer will appear to the public. It's a chance to make any last-minute tweaks or corrections. Once you're satisfied and sure that everything looks good, go ahead and click the Post button. And there you have it, your special offer is now live on your Google business profile, ready to bring in customers and showcase what makes your business unique. By following these steps, you can keep your profile engaging, relevant, and always reflecting the best of what your business has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.